Prosperity Watch. We were promised prosperity. Our primary goal is to question the government of the day and hold them accountable to the public. We are watching.
The song says, when you make $1, you have to spin it. And so the music is so powerful. As soon as the Friday gone, the Friday come back.
Fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash, fresh cash.
Listen to teachers.
Having borne the pressure for so many years that when we negotiate, all of that would have been taken into consideration, and the government would recognize that if it is we're going to talk about prosperity, the teachers also need to prosper, and the teachers of Jamaica are not prospering and cannot prosper under these current conditions.
And Your Wholeness, where is the dollar to spin? Prosperity for who? Only a few.
We are watching.